Welcome to Bike Shift, where we explore powerful machines and future-ready technology. Today's video dives into the 2026 Sukhoi Su30MKI, an advanced evolution of one of the world's most respected multi-role fighter jets, known for its dominance in the skies and unmatched versatility. The Sukhoi Su30MKI has long been the backbone of modern air forces, combining Russian airframe strength with advanced international avionics. By 2026, this fighter continues its legacy with upgrades that focus on better combat awareness, improved reliability, and enhanced mission flexibility, making it a true air superiority platform. The 2026 Su-30MKI retains its iconic twin-engine design with canards and thrust-vectoring nozzles. This configuration delivers exceptional maneuverability, allowing the jet to perform extreme aerial maneuvers with precision. Its reinforced airframe and refined aerodynamics ensure stability at both low and high speeds, even during complex combat situations. Powered by upgraded AL-31FP engines, the 2026 variant offers stronger thrust, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced maintenance needs. The aircraft is capable of super maneuverability, long-range missions, and sustained supersonic flight. With extended combat radius and aerial refueling capability, the Su-30MKI remains a strategic long-range fighter. One of the biggest highlights of the 2026 Su-30MKI is its modernized avionics suite. Advanced radar systems provide better target tracking, longer detection range, and improved resistance to electronic jamming. A fully digital cockpit with multifunction displays enhances pilot awareness, allowing faster and more accurate decision-making in combat. The 2026 Su-30MKI supports a wide range of air-to-air, air-to-ground, and anti-ship weapons. With upgraded missile integration and smart weapon compatibility, this fighter can dominate both aerial dogfights and precision strike missions. Its ability to carry heavy payloads gives it a decisive edge in multi-role operations. In 2026, the Sukhoi Su30MKI stands as a symbol of air power, blending proven design with modern technology. Its adaptability, firepower, and endurance make it a critical asset for maintaining air superiority and regional security. The 2026 Sukhoi Su30MKI is not just an upgraded fighter, it is a refined legend built for future warfare. For more deep dives into powerful machines and next-generation technology, stay connected with Bike Shift.